Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today in the video, I want to go over, someone mentioned what are my normal work hours, or is there much flexibility in your hours? Like what time do I usually work and stuff like that. And I would say for the first, well, basically during my apprenticeship at the companies that I worked for, it was basically 7 a.m. start every morning, whether that's at the job site or meeting at the shop to go to the job site. And right now, at the company that I've been working for, which will be a year in a few weeks, I've been mainly working, I think it's been like 6:30 starts. It really just depends on the job site, it depends on the company, like the contractor. But for the most part, you're looking between somewhere between 6 and 7 a.m. starts, at least where I'm at. And like some journeymen, they'll even want to start as early as 5 in the morning, which I really don't like. Personally, I'm more happy with the later starts, like 7 a.m. or anything like that. Those are the times that you're looking for. And yeah, I think that was basically about it. It just depends on the people you're working with, the company you work for, and the job site. And if there's anything, like if you're working at like a company that's like during business hours, like if you have to do like if people are working and stuff, sometimes you might have to do like a night shift or something where you come in after hours that the company is closed so you can work without interrupting people while they're trying to do their business. So sometimes you might have to do stuff at night or work with live circuits or whatnot. So yeah, so just be aware of that, and that's pretty much it. So just want to give you a heads up, and that should do it for today's video. And tomorrow's video, I'm probably going to be doing the unemployment video of how much money I am making during unemployment, and if I'm getting the stimulus as well as the $600 a week on top of that. So look forward to that. I would have done it today, but my money hasn't come through for today. So anyways, I will look forward to that tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget about the giveaway coming up at 2,000. So make sure you're tuned in for that. Make sure you're subscribed, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and don't forget to check out the description for anything else you may need, social medias, and hit the notification bell if you want to. I do live streams every once in a while, so make sure to be in the loop for that, and that'll do it, guys. Peace out. God bless. See you tomorrow. All right, one more thing I forgot to mention. Like breaks and stuff like that, and as far as overtime and stuff like that. So breaks are kind of dependent on, breaks are kind of dependent on the person you're working with, the foreman or the job site or the company. So a lot of places do like one break at 10 in the morning, or like they'll do one at like 9 in the morning and like one in the afternoon. So it really just depends on who you work for and what works best for everyone. Some people will just skip breaks altogether and then just leave early. And as far as like your normal work schedule, for me, I've always basically worked 40 hours a week, and some of the job sites, depending on the day, sometimes you'll go home a little bit earlier, and then some days you'll work a little bit later. A lot of companies don't like to pay overtime, but some people don't care as long as it's not too much. So there's always a chance for overtime, and there's always chances that job sites are going to be squeezed and you have to work a whole bunch of extra to get the job finished. So some days or some weeks or months you'll have to work a lot of extra hours to get the job site done, and but for the most part you're looking at 40 hours a week, and that can be mostly, for me, it's always been 5 8-hour days, but you can, depending on the company or the job site, some people work 4 10-hour days, or like work 9-hour days, and then work like 4 hours or whatever on Friday, and then just go home early. So it depends on the company. So that's cool that when people work with your schedule and are flexible about that. So Anyways, just want to fill you guys in with that before I upload this video. And that should do it. Thanks, guys. Alright, guys, actually, one more thing I wanted to mention. My friend, one of my local friends, made a video about his little pit bull puppy, and if you want to check that out, I'm going to put the link in the description below. I told him I'd give him a shout out just because he's an awesome dude, and he's, I don't know if he's looking into making more YouTube videos, but definitely go check that out. I would appreciate it. You don't have to, but it'd be awesome if you checked it out. Maybe dropped a like and a comment letting him know that I sent him his way, and if you'd subscribe to him, that would be great. I think he's made like 7 videos in the last like 8 years, so you're not going to be getting like a bunch of like video notifications or emails or anything like that. So if you subscribe to him, that would be super awesome. He's got like 7 subscribers. So anyways, that's all I got for you. I'm ending the video, but I appreciate it. If you guys want to check that out, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks, guys. As always, God bless.